Dane here with Trader's Journey, and let's go over how to trade options contracts. Now, trading options does not have to be complicated. You can trade options just like day trading the stocks. The benefit of day trading options is it allows you more leverage. Obviously, there's more risk, but there's a way to do it without a lot of risk, without a lot of money. So basically, if you had $500 to start, you could trade more because one options contract enables you to have 100 to buy 100 shares of a stock. For example, the SPY is now trading at about $500. Well, it's like 460, for example, 490. You know, if you had $500, you could only buy one share, and even if it went up, a point, you're only making $1 every time it goes up. That's not a lot of, you can't do much with that. However, you could buy one options contract, for example, and if the SPY moves and it moves, a point or two a day, one of those options contract would yield you $100 to $200 a day. Can you see how powerful that is by trading options contracts? Now, I do not recommend holding overnight. You are a day trader. Do not hold those stocks overnight because of the volatility of options contracts. So, and you're not to worry about the Greeks. You don't have to worry about that. It does not have to be complicated. If you want to learn different option spreads, if you want to complicate trading, that's fine. Go somewhere else. In this channel, we do not make trading complicated. We do not care about that. Go learn somewhere else if you want to learn about that kind of options trading. We are just simply day trading options. And with day trades, you're in and out. If you want to be a day trader, you're in and out. Sometimes you can do long trades, but I would not recommend that when you are just starting out. And chances are, if you're watching YouTube channels, you are just starting out and you should be in and out of trades, not taking it long, especially with the volatility of the past few years and the economics, the bigger macroeconomics of things. I don't want to be in longer than a day anyhow, longer than an hour. Like, who knows what's going to happen. The next tip I will give is on Friday. Again, we are trading weekly options. So whenever you're placing your order, you're placing the order for that week. We're only worrying about weekly options. However, when on Friday you were to trade the following week, especially on a small account, if you have less than 25,000, you would not be able to exercise and close that on a Friday, and you will actually get a message from your broker saying you're over leveraged. So do not trade that week's options contract because it will close on that Friday. Again, that options contract is for that week. If you are trading on Friday, you need to trade the next week's options contracts. You will see that in whatever app you're using to trade options. I like to use Thinkorswim, that platform. You can trade them on other things as well. Again, do set up an options account. You just need to talk to your broker and just say, if you want it. And most people on YouTube have less than $25,000 to trade. Just trade a cash account. A cash account where you are asking for options and you don't need any complicated options. And they will know what you mean by that. Again, you're not trying to do anything complicated with the Greeks or any margin or any of that. Just a cash account, just options contracts. You will trade a contract in a day because it's a cash account. It will close that day. You'll be able to trade the next day. Again, just same thing with any other cash account. It's really simple. Again, if you're just starting out, practice on a simulator or on a paper trading account just so you get used to placing the orders first. Then once you're comfortable, and my recommendation is always 30 days. You can learn more in my course and what I recommend. But then once you are profitable, then go start trading. Hope that clarified some things. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Follow, subscribe, give me a like for this new channel, and hope to see you guys in the next videos.